Module 3, Lesson 1, What Lies Behind Same Shape. First thing we want to know is what's the difference between this with the bar over top and this with the two vertical bars on the sides. Well, this means we're just naming that segment. It's just telling us it is a segment, AC. And this is actually talking about the length of the segment from A to C. Now, dilation, when we do a dilation, we will get a similar shape. What that means is a dilation produces a figure with the same shape but not necessarily the same size. So it's like going to a copier and enlarging something or reducing something in size. The scale factor is how much the shape changes in size. And we use the letter R to represent the scale factor. So R equal to 1, a scale factor equal to 1 means there was no change in size. It stayed the same, because if you multiply times 1, it doesn't change. A scale factor greater than 1, the shape will get larger, because when you multiply by a number greater than 1, your number gets larger. And a scale factor less than 1, of course it has to be greater than 0, so it's between 0 and 1 because we can't have a negative scale factor, means the shape is going to get smaller, because when you multiply by a fraction or a decimal between 0 and 1, your answer gets smaller. So we're going to take a look at this picture, and we're going to look at 3 different examples using this picture. So first of all, from A to B, the length is 5. Our scale factor is 2. We want to know what's the length from A to B prime. Well, we're going to use this formula if we want to find the image. We know the pre-image is 5. The scale factor is 2. In order to find the image, we're going to multiply these two. So the image is 10, which means this length will be 10. So if this was 5, this is 10. Of course, it's not drawn to scale. Second example, we know the image. We know AB prime. AB prime is 50. The scale factor is 5. We are trying to find the pre-image this time. We're trying to find AB. So if we're trying to find the pre-image, we want to take the image, 50, and divide by the scale factor of 5, which this time it gives us a pre-image of 10. And the final one, if we know that the pre-image is 5, this is 5, and the image, AB prime, is 100, we want to find the scale factor. If we're trying to find the scale factor, we're going to take the image and divide by the pre-image. So our image was 100, divide by the pre-image of 5, gives us a scale factor of 20 this time. Okay, so depending on what you need to know is going to depend on what you do with the things that you're given. If you are trying to find the image, you will multiply pre-image and scale factor. If you're trying to find the pre-image, you will divide image by scale factor. And if you're trying to find the scale factor, you will divide image by pre-image.